All right, it's December 6th, 2023, and today we had a downtrend day. So let's take a look uh, at what happened and why it happened. So in the overnight, we had this strong breakout. So, I mean, I just draw this range around the bars, strong bull bars, and, guess that we would make a measured move, and that's exactly, we went a little higher and then sold off. So, uh, I think this was around 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5:30. So around 5:30, we got this failed second entry short. The only reason I like the odds here is because we got a new high here. So prices are still trying to make it, and we shot pretty strongly above the EMA here. So it's not the greatest setup on this chart. On the MES, I watched the 1300 tick chart, and it set up pretty well there. You can see plenty of people like that. And, we get a strong move up, break, and move to a new high. And then it just starts to go sideways around market open. And you get a first entry. Well, actually, you could look at this as a double top. First entry, failed second entry long, big bear bar, a lot of room to the downside there. I think you got to take that one. That gets you a quick move down. And then we start going sideways. And you get this double test that's also technically a second entry short. It's aggressive. But if you see all that, it's near the highs of this range. So it's probably worth considering. And then we get a second leg down. And then we get two legs up. And this is a channel. It doesn't look like it on this chart because we go higher. But on the higher time frame charts, it's pretty clear that this is a channel. And so, yeah, we had a big sell-off here, straight down to the lows, and then we get like a leg of buying, and then we just go sideways, and I don't see anything in here, unfortunately. It's just too sideways, but when we break out to the low side, we pull back, you get a second entry short. I marked that as red, but really I should probably mark it green because it's pretty hard to know at this point that there's a channel here. When we have these lows, when we get a touch right here, that's when you should realize that this is indeed a channel. Actually, no, you could get it right here because it touches right there too. So maybe you could look at that as red. It looks like a buying climax. So we bottom out for a little bit here. And if you're feeling aggressive, you might take this. I didn't see that first time around because we just broke out to the low side. You get a quick double test, and then you get a failed second entry short with a nice bull bar. So I was it here? No, I don't think it was here. Yeah, it wasn't here. But yeah, you got a couple moves up. We sell off a little, come back to the channel, and we sell off, and you get a failed second entry long, but it kind of went a long way here. So I mark this as aggressive, but it's reasonable. You think you're going to get it to the bottom of the channel, and it comes up short. And so that's telling you we're probably going to get a break soon, and that's what we got. And this looks like a second entry long, but I don't think you can take that. We haven't gotten a break yet. Now you have a break of this channel, move to a new high, break of this channel. Now we need a new low on this channel, or we're at least looking for a retest. And after you get this break, if you're long and you see all these consecutive lower highs, you got to get out. And we make this new high, first entry, failed second entry long. That's worth considering. I would say this one's worth considering too. That's a nice bear bar, and that begins this sell-off. And I don't see a way to get in it after that. And that brings us to the end of the day. So that's how it looks. Here's the daily chart, a bearish bar we finished with. So hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.